So you're behind on your mortgage and you're wondering what is the best course of action to try to save your home. So there's many options that may be available to help you. For example, we see today a lot about loan forbearances. So let me take a moment to describe what that is. In a loan forbearance, the bank is going to allow you some period of time, maybe 3 months, maybe 6 months, where you don't have to make any mortgage payments. Well, that may sound great on its face. What happens after that period? Oftentimes, you have to come up with the full 3 or 6 months worth of mortgage payments in one shot. And for most people, that's completely not even an option because they don't have that money saved. Then there's loan modification. In loan modification, the bank will put some payments on the back end. They may lower your interest rate. They may extend the amount of time you have to pay your mortgage. It's very similar to a refinance where we can try to work a payment that'll work for you. Then there's foreclosure defense. In foreclosure defense, we're going to fight the bank in court. We're going to challenge their proof. We're going to challenge everything that they have in order to try to beat them at trial. And obviously, in order to avail yourself of this option, you have to make sure you choose the law firm that actually has trial experience. I've personally been trying cases for almost 21 years. Then there's Chapter 13 bankruptcy. In a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, there are several ways in which you may be able to save your home. You can get into a cure and maintain plan, which is where the bankruptcy court will give you 5 years to catch up on your missed payments. So what you'll do is you'll start making your normal mortgage payment again, and then you'll make a smaller payment in addition to that every month to catch up on that past due balance that you have with the mortgage company. And it's a great way, potentially, to keep the bank from foreclosing on your home. Now, the most important thing is to choose a law firm that actually has experience in all of these areas. So for example, you go to a bankruptcy lawyer, what are they going to tell you? They're going to tell you for sure you got to do bankruptcy. That's because that's what that lawyer does. They're not going to let you walk out of that office, but they may not even be well enough versed to advise you on all of these other options. At loan lawyers, we do forbearance plans, loan modification, we go to trial against banks, and we do bankruptcies. So when you come to us, we're going to help you custom tailor a plan that's right for your situation, because saving a home is not a cookie cutter approach. That's not going to work.
Anyone can relate to my story. I lost a really good paying job and eventually I fell behind on my mortgage. And then in 2010, I received foreclosure papers. And after praying a lot about it, I came across this billboard and it said loan lawyers and they do fight for you for foreclosure, with your foreclosure case. And I decided to make an appointment and, with the lawyers to see, what they could possibly do for me. And I was very pleased with the, with what I learned when I got here. So I decided I would choose them to fight my case for me. And wow, 4 years later, the house is mine. I'm mortgage free. And thanks be to these lawyers here. Thank you. I must say thank you for you guys for all your hard work. And I'm a living testimony of what you guys have done for me.
You need to find a law firm that is experienced in all of these areas. And we're happy to give you a free consultation. All you have to do is give us a call at 1-888-FIGHT-13. That's 1-888-FIGHT-13. And we can talk about how we may be able to save your home.